the shoulder exercise that changes everything. After 60, do this. If you're over 60 and skipping shoulder work, or worse, still doing overhead presses the way you did at 35, you're not just wasting time. You're accelerating your decline every single day. I'm going to show you one movement, that done consistently rebuilds your shoulder health, reverses that forward slump that's aging you a decade, and puts power back in your upper body that most men your age have completely written off. This isn't physical therapy. This isn't gentle. This is what the elite 3% are doing right now, while everyone else is hunching over a chair complaining about rotator cuff pain. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what the exercise is, how to execute it perfectly for your age and anatomy, how to program it, and what happens to your posture, your strength, and your confidence when you do it for 30 days straight. Stay with me, because this changes things. Here's the mainstream lie. Shoulder pain after 60 is just wear and tear. Something to manage. Something to accept. Wrong. That pain and that slumped posture is a symptom of neglect. Specifically, the neglect of the muscles behind your shoulder, the posterior deltoids, the rotator cuff, the upper back that's supposed to hold your spine vertical. Most men over 60 have spent decades pressing forward and never pulling back. Bench press, push-ups, driving, desks, all forward. The back of your shoulder has been chronically weak and overstretched for years. The fix isn't surgery. It's not cortisone shots. It's targeted resistance pulling movements that directly rebuild the posterior chain of your shoulder. Guys in their late 60s who commit to this report less pain inside 3 weeks, better posture inside 6, real structural change inside 90 days. Keep doing overhead presses with dumbbells if your shoulders hurt. You're compressing an already compromised joint. Replace your pressing volume with pulling volume for 30 days. Specifically the exercise I'm about to show you. And here's the tease, the exercise I'm talking about is one most men in the gym have never even attempted. But the ones who have, they don't go back. Everyone's been told, protect your rotator cuff, don't load it, don't stress it. That advice has kept millions of men weak and in pain. Your rotator cuff isn't made of glass. It's 4 muscles designed to stabilize your shoulder under load. Avoiding load doesn't protect it. It accelerates its deterioration. The rotator cuff responds to progressive resistance the same way every other muscle does. Men in their 60s and 70s who follow structured rotator cuff loading programs don't just reduce pain, they regain functional strength that makes daily life easier. Reaching overhead, lifting, carrying, all of it. Tiny band exercises in isolation. Internal rotation, external rotation, with a 2-pound band done half-heartedly as rehab. Load the movement. Progress the resistance. Treat it like training, not treatment. Which brings us directly to the exercise. And why it works so well, it almost seems too simple.
Quick thing before we continue. I put together a free guide. The Elite Physique Blueprint is everything you need to build muscle after 60 in one place. Link is in the description, takes 10 seconds. And if you want the exact equipment I recommend, supplements, bands, everything, my storefront link is there too. All right, back to it.
There's no shortage of shoulder exercises, but most of them either compress the joint, load the wrong muscles, or demand a range of motion that men over 60 simply don't have anymore, especially without a warm-up. The face pull, a cable or band exercise where you pull the handles toward your face, flaring your elbows high, finishing with your hands beside your ears. This single movement directly targets the posterior deltoid, the rotator cuff muscles, specifically infraspinatus and teres minor and the mid and lower traps. All the muscles that have been neglected for decades. All the muscles responsible for upright posture and pain-free shoulders. It's not glamorous. You won't see it featured in fitness magazines. But every serious coach working with men over 60 has it in their arsenal. Pull the band straight to your nose with elbows dropped. This turns it into a row and removes all rotator cuff involvement. Set the anchor at eye level or just above. Pull toward your forehead elbows high, finishing in a double bicep position. Pause 1 second at peak contraction. Control the return. That's the rep. Now you know what it is. The next question is, how do you program this so it actually changes your body? Now you know what it is. The next question is, how do you program this so it actually changes your body? Most men who find a good exercise do it once or twice, get no results, and quit. The problem isn't the exercise, it's the protocol. Here's the exact protocol I recommend for men 60 and up, starting from scratch. Weeks 1 to 2, 3 sets of 15 reps, light resistance. Focus entirely on position, elbows up, full external rotation at the top. Every training day, that means 5 to 6 days a week if you can manage it. Weeks 3 to 4, increase to 3 sets of 20. Add slight resistance. If you feel it working in your rear deltoid and you can hold the end position cleanly, you're doing it right. Month 2 onward, treat it as a true strength movement. Progress resistance. Work in the 10 to 15 rep range. Add a pause at contraction. Do it once a week as an afterthought at the end of chest day. Make it the first pulling movement of every session. Priority placement signals to your body that this matters. But here's what no one talks about, what this exercise actually does to your life outside the gym. That's section 5. And it's the reason men don't stop once they start. Men stop training because they don't see the full picture of what's changing. They're looking for the mirror and missing everything else. By day 30, here's what you actually gain from consistent face pulls. 1 posture. Your head sits back over your shoulders. Your chest opens. You walk into a room differently. People notice before you do. 2 pain reduction. The chronic ache in the back of your shoulder diminished. Sometimes gone. Because you've finally loaded the muscles that were chronically underworked. 3 performance carryover. Your bench press improves. Your rows improve. Your overhead mobility improves. 1 corrective movement unlocks everything downstream. 4 confidence. There's something that happens to a man when his posture changes. It's not vanity, it's identity. You feel like yourself again. Wait until you have time to build the perfect program before you start. Do 3 sets of face pulls today with a band, a cable, or whatever you have. Start the 30-day clock right now. We opened this video talking about the 3% of men over 60 who refuse to accept that decline is inevitable. Here's what separates them from everyone else. It's not genetics, it's not money, it's not access to the best gym. It's 1 decision, made consistently. The decision to load the right muscles in the right direction with the right intent. The face pull isn't a magic exercise. But for men over 60 with chronically weak posterior shoulders, neglected, overstretched, and painful, it's as close to a game changer as anything I've seen. 30 days, 3 sets. Every session, first. That's the challenge. And that's the protocol. Your 1 concrete action right now. Find a resistance band or a cable machine. Set it at eye level. Do 3 sets of 15 before you do anything else today. Right now. Don't plan it. Do it.